Should you update your house before you sell it? Let's find out. Hi everyone, it's Sarah Lynn with Castle Realty Homes. Whether or not you should update your house before you list it for sale depends on several things, but what it ultimately comes down to is asking your real estate agent for their expertise. As your real estate agent, I'll analyze several factors such as the current condition of your home, the real estate market, as well as the comparable homes in the area. According to the latest data from the National Association of Realtors, homes are receiving an average of 3 to 4 offers. Some are even receiving over a dozen. This is due to the large influx of buyers in the market compared to the limited number of homes for sale. With that said, the added expense and time of updating your home may not necessarily be worth it in today's seller's market due to the increased demand. On the other hand, if your home needs major upgrades compared to the other comparable homes in the area that sold at target price, you may want to perform some renovation to sell for top dollar. I'd love to schedule a free consultation where I can provide my advice on what updates are important for you to do in today's market. Feel free to call, text, or email me at any time. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.